it's going to do that for a while. All right, we are now at turn ignition off, so we're going to do that. All right, ignition is off. Nice. All right, so we're done. Here, I've actually seen that icon before too, so pretty cool. All right, so I'm just gonna hit run. It's gonna open that up. All right, so I'm not gonna do anything here yet. We're gonna take this outside because we are ready to get the tune going. Let me just move that in there. All right, cool. Okay, guys, so we're back outside, and yes, the engine is already running. The device is already plugged up. It doesn't make mention of doing anything with the seatbelt. I just left the seatbelt there. Okay, so let's run its check. No. Alright, here we go. Next, we're going to program. Let's go in here, and then there's the DCT software that you should be looking for, and here we go. All right. Transmission malfunction. That's normal. Car is warm. It's got all the way to the cold. Anyway, I'm gonna let it do its thing. It's gonna calculate the time. We did say about 10 or 15 minutes, and so as soon as that is done, it's calculating time. Alright guys, I've got about 3 drive cycles. It says it registers everything. I'm getting ready to take it for a little test drive right now to make sure everything is working properly, and I'll be back with another video on how it's handling and running and performing, so stay tuned. Thank you to my servicemen and women, my active duty members, fellow veterans. Big salute to you guys, and thank you guys for watching. You guys know what to do. Keep driving.